The hot summer days are here when we sometimes don't want to cook and yet want some comfort food. And you know what? SabuMakha is one such savior. Sabudana or Sago is basically tapioca pearls. If you have offered a puja at home, then this can be easily made with all the ingredients that have been offered to the god. We just need to soak the sabudana overnight. Next day, wash it properly 2 or 3 times, rinse the water, and then you do the mixing with all the ingredients that I have shown. Basically for SabuMakha, grated coconut, banana, some shondesh or some fruits, milk, curd. These are the things that I used in it. So what I have done here is I've used banana, I've mashed it, and then I've added the sago or sabudana into it. After mixing it, another thing that I've used here is it is called batasha. I don't know if you all know about it. Batasha, it can be white. Mine is yellowish because it is made of gur. This is the batasha. This is also offered to the god. In place of batasha, you can use sugar as well, the ones that we offer to god, or a general sugar that we use at home. Then if you have shondesh, kalakand, you mix that as well. If you have some sweet curd, you can add that too. I have added milk. After mixing this, then the next part is you go on to add all the nuts and fruits such as kaju, kishmish, that is cashew nut, raisins, mangoes. If you have mangoes are also added in this one, but since I don't have mangoes, you can cut them into small pieces or make a puree of it. It tastes good. I have apples, so I'm going to add the apples. I have grated some coconut and I have added some pieces. I have added desiccated coconut also. Now I have mixed this properly. As I told you, the nuts were also added in it. Just mix them up well. I have taken half a cup of sago, so this one will serve about 4 people. Then the next is you can decorate it as you wish with whatever fruits you have. Sometimes what I do is I just decorate it with mangoes and coconut, shredded coconuts. That is another thing. I will show it to you if I make someday. Here I have used more of apples, the red color. I had one strawberry too in my garden, so I put that as well. Lychees. That is all that I have added here. And then the SabuMakha is ready to be relished by us. Please try it out someday. It is really a comfort food. And yes, for those who love jackfruits can also be added, and the green grapes can also be added to add a different color. So the final result is pleasing to the eyes as well as the stomach. And in the end, again, a kind request to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for being with us till the end. Bye-bye.